Attock Jail, Barrack number 3, prisoner number 804. A long list of crimes. You won the only Cricket World Cup for Pakistan, set up free cancer hospitals, established a university in a remote area. You gave up your life of comfort and went around the country to awaken your nation. These are big crimes. You can't be set free. You wanted to bring the powerful under the law. You took on all the mafias. You wanted the state to serve and protect the poor. You talk about state of Medina and raise voice for Kashmiris and Palestinians. You tell the world how much we love our Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. What kind of thinking is this? What kind of vision is this? You want Pakistan to be respected in the world. How dare you imagine a free and independent Pakistan? How dare you remind the people that Pakistan was a glorious dream? How dare you explain the meaning of La ilaha illallah to people of Pakistan? How dare you teach people to stand up for their rights and rise against tyranny? How dare you give hope of better Pakistan to people? These are big crimes. This is rebellion. Yes, you must be kept in jail. Your voice must be silenced. Attock Jail, Barrack number 3, prisoner number 804.